Hey guys, it's Chris here back again with another video, and today we'll be working on our second part from the practice exam overview, and we'll start from top plane, so go normal to it, and we'll use 3D sketch. Now let's start by drawing a arc from the center, and make sure you align this point to that point along X so it's horizontal. Now the radius is 13.75, so type it in. Once you've done that, we'll draw a center line going all the way through the origin horizontally, and we'll draw another line which goes parallel to the center line. Now draw a construction line which sits perpendicular to this line and that line, and we'll smart dimension this so the distance between the center line should be 9, and distance between this and to the origin is 26. Now once that's done, we'll be making a coincidence, and you can trim this. Now fillet it with radius of 10, and we'll finish off by making a arc that goes vertical to our sketch plane. So press tab to change the drawing direction and make an arc with radius of 5.8. Now connect this 2 points by using merge, and we'll draw a center line going straight down and connecting to this end. Make sure you leave it in tangent, and this can be perpendicular. Now smart dimension it so it's 90 degrees. Once that's done, just check if it's fully defined. If it's not, let's fully define it. It's coincident. Yeah. Right. Once that's done, move out of sketch, and on front plane, we'll draw a circle at the end of this drawing with the radius of 2.5, so 5 mil diameter, and we'll sweep it. And then comes mirror, and we'll choose this face as a mirror face, and we'll mirror sweep one feature. Great. Now go on to front plane again. Make sure you have it normal, and from this midpoint to anywhere near origin, we'll draw a line so it goes horizontal. Now we'll extrude this line up to next surface and up to another next from midplane, and make it 2.5 thin. Once that's done, we'll move on to top plane. And we'll draw a circle with the diameter of 23.16. Right. And after that, we'll be drawing a arc with the radius of 6.83. Now let's connect this line. I'll just draw center line going from middle. And mirror this line to the other side, so we can close up this curve. Smart dimension it so it's fully defined. Now we'll extrude cut it through all, another direction through all. Once that's done, you can mirror this with this face as a mirror plane, and we'll mirror this body. Great. This was a video tutorial of our practice exam overview. Second part, which is a strat. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And stay safe, stay healthy. I'll see you in the next one.